Hey everyone, hey, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments, and we're at the Peregrine in Las Colinas. The Peregrine in Las Colinas. We're looking at their one bedroom. The one bedroom is so super cool. This is an open one bedroom. You can just kind of see what it looks like. It's not a model, it's just open, ready to lease. There's a number below if you have questions at any time or you're ready for a FaceTime or a live tour, just text me. Hey, we're now going to go into the bedroom and bathroom. So the bedroom looks like this. The bedroom is really cool. It has the same flooring, by the way, all through. So the same flooring, it's really pretty. It's got a nice size, decent sized ceiling. And let's walk out. So let's see it and walk out. Let's see if we can open that up. Okay, cool. Here's what it looks like outside. Here is there's the garage. We saw this in a previous video, but this is the entrance. The balcony is really nice. This is not a little balcony. It's a really good sized balcony. And you've got a really pretty, just some land that's out there. So you could be facing outside or you could be facing inside, which is actually the lake. So pretty cool. This is the bathroom. The bathroom's very attractive. It's got a really pretty feel in here. It's got some really nice lighting. And then you've got a full walk-in shower. Very, very attractive. Ooh, I love this. Very nice, big walk-in shower. I like the open linen closet that you have. It's pretty much an open shelf. And then inside here, you've got your closet. And you saw that, but it had the washer and dryer. So it's all included. Love it. So anyway, that's what it looks like in here. Love the feel in here. This is just great. And hey, I love this. This is awesome. This is a really pretty, very roomy, fun one-bedroom apartment. It's waiting for you. Hey, if you'd like to take a tour, man, just send me a text. Just use the number below. And what we could do is we'll set up a Zoom tour, a Microsoft Teams tour, or we could just set up a live tour as well. And it's part of our 100% free service, so there's never a charge. And you always get the best deal when you work with us. You get the best deal, you remove your stress, and you get your perfect apartment in Dallas. Hey, send me a text. I look forward to hearing from you. I'm about to now go to the other model. It's a 2-bedroom, and it's a full model. So let's go see that right now.